G'day everyone, welcome back to Pete's Investing. Today is January 6, 2023. This is the US crude oil price update. As per the previous update a few days ago, it did break below this pivot area, and there was a bit of a resistance there, and it dropped off as we suggested. Take shorts from that point. It has fallen quite nicely. There was a bit of a double top happening on the 4-hour chart, and that typically doubles in value between that range, that low there and that high, and it's reached that target. Now there is a bit of a pivot here to the upside potentially in the short term. We might see it bounce there, and it's starting to do so already. On the daily, you'll see the Stochastic has reached the oversold territory, so we may see a bounce off this lower level here, if not already happening at this point on the price chart. And on the CCI 1500, it's still in a pretty strong downtrend. On the 4-hour chart, it has bounced off the oversold territory, although the CCI is still declining, but we may see a bit of a retracement as evidenced by the hourly chart. It has broken up, and although it's still in a downtrend, but it has broken up somewhat. So we may see a bit of a retracement to the upside from this point in the short term. But longer term, predominantly take short positions if you're trading on a daily. But at this point, if trading on the hourly or even the 4-hourly, you may want to take a few pips and go long. Or if you're already long, look at exiting if that starts turning down shortly. But at the moment, to understand how to properly average down, refer to the playlist at the end of this video to get a better understanding. During the weekly market updates, I mention the strategies that I use and make recommendations on to track the potential direction of the trends when applying your strategy. Well, to pick a strategy you can work with, go to my homepage, click on the playlists, then click on the strategy playlist, and then browse through and choose a strategy that works for you. And that way you can trade profitably and do it without too much risk, as long as you follow the strategy itself and the market direction. Here are some of my investing rules: buy proven blue chip stocks, buy stocks which pay dividends, don't short positions, go long only. And the reason for that is you want to receive those dividends when they're paid, and don't trade on news. Price is already factored in the share price. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click the subscribe and the like button, and click the notification bell to get all updates. Market updates will be posted on Mondays and Thursdays each week. If you want to support the channel further, then subscribe to the Patreon page. The link is in the description below. Happy investing, and speak to you in the next video.